Hey guys, it's Fire Alarm Collector. So, people say I should do the update of the fire alarm in school. So let's do that. No, I've been missing a few alarms in school. Try and go as I can. The reason I do picture size because it'll be very hard to get an alarm in the school. And there's people inside. So, the first device is Simplex 2999-754 TUR. We got a Simplex Bell, and we got a Simplex 403-9450. And some 15 Candela, Simplex 2999-754 T-Bar. We got some Simplex 498s, some protectors. There's another Simplex 2999-754 T-Bar. Yeah, I'm in the cafeteria right now. And that's a protector. It is Simplex 2999-754 T-Bar. It's pretty dusty on the pole station. So in the boiler room, there's a Simplex 403-9450 True Alert and some heat detectors. I'm not really sure the model. Yeah, that's the cooking area. Okay, so we're in the gym, the large gym. So we got a Simplex Bell that's painted, and we got a Simplex 403-9450. I'm pretty sure that bell is actually painted, but they painted it so it blends into the wall. X sign. X sign. Another Simplex 499-9004 T-Bar. Some of the 499s look newer than the 299s. I make separate videos, but I might combine on my YouTube. So this is the main building, so I gotta be quiet. Got it. 498. Smoke detector. We got another Simplex 2999-754 T-Bar. Okay. Got another Simplex 403-9450 True Alert. Yeah, I gotta be quiet because there's teachers in schools. So we got Bell between periods, and a smoke detector. Yeah, there's teachers in schools. I don't want to catch me going fire alarms. So it's gonna be kind of risky. So we got another Simplex 403-9450. We got another Simplex 2999-754. Okay, another Simplex 2999-754. So in here we got a Simplex 2999-754 T-Bar. And we got another Jerry Smokes. And here we got a Simplex 493-9425 True Alert. There's another one back over there, behind those doors. Yeah, here, see, we got Bell that ranks from different periods. This is Simplex Bell, and a Simplex 498 smoke detectors. I don't know if I can go in there, but there are some Gentex commanders inside. And Simplex 2999-754 T-Bar. So in here is a Simplex 4009 extender. Simplex 499 9004. This is pretty cool. This is the system sensor P2R spectral advance. One show. It's normal over there, but it has a missing cage. And back here, this is Simplex 299. Oh no, Simplex 499 9004. It's another spectral advance P2R. So we got another system sensor P2R spectral advance horn strobe. Kind of exciting. So we got a Simplex 499 for 50, and we got a Simplex that's a very broken Simplex 4989714. Simplex 299. So in here, there's something interesting. There's a Simplex 493 450 in the bathroom, and it's a horn strobe. It's kind of weird that they should have put a remote strobe in a bathroom. I don't know if I can go in here. Oh, it's unlocked. But there is a Simplex 299 SM54 T-bar inside. Pretty smokes. So we're in the music hallway. Got Simplex 299 SM54. And we got a Simplex 403 9450 True Alert. We got Simplex Bell, range to mean periods, and Simplex 498 9714. Firelight BG10. 30 smokes. This is pretty cool. There's a Simplex 291 838 on a 493 911 strobe plate. And we got Edwards Adaptabell, which doesn't rung properly. There's very smokes. Firelight BG10. And in these huts, the one right there is a Simplex 493 9450, and there's also a Wheelock MT-24 LSM inside. There's a library. Edwards 270 SPO. Simplex Smoke Hunter. 291 838. One of my favorite alarms. We got Edwards Adaptabell. But that one works, but it sounds a little bit weird when it rings. Smoke Hunter. Sign. Edwards 270 SPO. And in that building, there is a Simplex 496 9111 True remote strobes inside. There's actually 4 of them. There's actually 4 of them, but I put 2 of them in the picture slides. And that horn is not sync. Not SPO. So, let's walk upstairs. Egg sign. And you're probably wondering what was in the bathroom. Guessed it. As always, Simplex 493 450 True horn strobe in the bathroom. We got Simplex 299 754. Just smoke detectors. And we got Simplex Bell, range between periods. And there's Simplex 493 9450 right next to it. Smoke detector. and simplex 299754. X sign, and another fire extinguisher, another X sign. Well, that's the fire alarm tour, guys. Oh, it's emergency light. Well, that's the fire alarm tour, guys. Make sure to like and subscribe because this took me a while. Woo!